Hello student, last video we see the Raoult's law. Now our next topic is the colligative property of solution. Colligative property of solution is defined as those property which depends only upon the number of solute particles, not the nature of solute. The properties of solution which depends upon properties of solution which depends upon the number of solute particles. Number of solute particles, not the nature of solute, are called the colligative properties. Right? These properties depends on the number of solute particles, not the nature of solute. If your solute is volatile, either non-volatile. Now there are four types of colligative properties. First is relative lowering in vapor pressure, relative lowering in vapor pressure. Second is elevation in boiling point, elevation in boiling point. Third, depression in freezing point, depression in freezing point. And fourth is osmotic pressure. Fourth is osmotic pressure. So these are the four properties which depends only upon the number of solute particles, are called colligative properties. So first you prove that these are the colligative properties. Second, with the help of these properties we can find out the molecular mass of substance, and third is the numerical coming. Right? So these are the four colligative properties. One by one you prove. First question is that show that the relative lowering in vapor pressure is a colligative property. Means it depends upon the number of solute particles. We see the one by one. So first our properties is relative lowering in vapor pressure. Relative lowering in vapor pressure. First we called relative lowering in vapor pressure. Here we prove that relative lowering in vapor pressure is a colligative properties, means it depends upon the number of solute particles. We know that if we add the non-volatile solute into pure solvent, the vapor pressure of solution decreases. That condition, the vapor pressure of solution will be only solvent alone. Then according to Raoult's law, Raoult's law already studied. The vapor pressure of, according to Raoult's law, the vapor pressure of solvent is directly proportional to their mole fraction. Vapor pressure of solution containing solvent, so vapor pressure of solvent is directly proportional to their mole fraction of solvent. Means solvent be Pa directly proportional to Xa, replacing proportional sign. K is the proportionality constant. It is equation 1. Pa equals to Kxa. For pure solvent, Pa we suppose P naught A and Xa mole fraction equals to 1. Then equation 1 becomes P naught A equals to K into 1, or P naught A equals to K. Equation 2. So K value is the P naught A. With value of K we put it into equation 1. From equation 1 and 2. So what is the equation? 1 becomes, if we put the value of K in equation 1, from equation 1 and equation 2. So it is Pa equals to P naught A Xa. Equation 3rd. It is the Raoult's law. that is where vapor pressure of solvent equals to the product of vapor pressure of pure solvent into their mole fraction. We know that mole fraction of solvent and solute equals to 1, or XA equals to 1 minus XB. 1 minus XB. So put the value of XA in equation third. From equation third or equation third. So equation third becomes if we put the value of X in equation third, so PA equals to P naught A into 1 minus XB into inside the PA equals to P naught A minus P naught A XB. Now here P naught A minus PA equals to P naught A XB, or P naught A minus PA upon P naught A equals to XB. It is equation 4th. Here P naught A minus PA upon P naught A equals to relative lowering in vapor pressure. Relative lowering in vapor pressure, and XP is the mole fraction of solute, and P naught A minus PA. It is a lowering in vapor pressure. It is lowering in vapor pressure. So from equation 4, P naught A minus P upon P naught A, it is called relative lowering in vapor pressure, is equal to the mole fraction of solute, and we know that the mole fraction of solute depends upon the number of solute particles. Therefore, relative lowering in vapor pressure is a colligative properties. So first you prove that relative lowering in vapor pressure is a colligative properties. That means it depends upon the number of solute particles. So according to Raoult's law, vapor pressure of solution equals to vapor pressure of solvent, which is directly proportional to mole fraction of solvent. PA directly proportional to XA. Replacing proportional sign, there is a constant, proportionality constant is coming. For pure solvent, vapor pressure of solvent becomes equals to P naught A XA, or XA equals to 1. We put the value of PA and XA in equation 1. So our equation is P naught A equals to K. The value of K, we put the equation 1. So equation becomes PA equals to P naught A XA. We know that the mole fraction of solvent and solute always equals to 1, or XA equals to 1 minus XB. Value of XA we put in equation third. So equation third becomes PA equals to P naught A into 1 minus XB. Multiply inside the bracket. So PA equals to P naught A minus P naught A XB. P naught A minus PA equals to P naught A XB, or P naught A minus P upon P naught A upon XB. It is the relative lowering in vapor pressure is equals to mole fraction of solute. So relative lowering in vapor pressure is equals to mole fraction of solute, and mole fraction of solute depends upon the number of solute particles. Therefore, relative lowering in vapor pressure is a colligative properties. It is proved that.